I don't know how I did that.
Sure you can take care of our friend. Wait, you're just possibly go wrong. Hey, I must have hit that cat switch. Hey, let's stop that runaway train. Not a chance! Hurry, hurry, hurry! Step up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls! There they are! Nothing can stop us now!
Oh, look at all those bright, smiling faces. It's so nice to see you. Come on in. Don't be shy. That's right. Everyone to your positions. Ready? And... 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent. You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Now, let's...
That concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park. And thanks for sticking with me. Why, picnickers? Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. Are you so finally by my side?
What's this lever do? Here we are, back in the barn. Remember to gather up all your personal belongings. Take care.